Bulamanaka followers and viewers from all over the world, this is Bill the Kanoto, otherwise known as K.K.U. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just click on the bell button and subscribe for more content like this. We will be talking about the song Waimanu Kui, the ACS Coke Games theme song. We will be basically talking to two more people, discussing on how the song came to be and what it has become today. Now, briefly, I'd like to discuss, or I'd like to share how far this song has gone all over the region and also all over the world. The Antitakumau school that you are hearing about on this video is a particular school here in the Fiji Islands. So basically we're going to be discussing on how we started out producing this particular